In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles on your Metal clips. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Metal, go to the left menu, and press over here where it says Library. From here, please find the clip that you want to work with. For this video, let's work with this clip right over here. Then you want to go ahead and select on this option that says Open an Editor, and that is going to open up the official Metal editor. Now, what you're able to do is you're able to go to this left menu and press over here where it says Subtitles. And you can either add them in manually, where you create them yourself, or you can import an SRT file. So you can upload a file that basically contains all the subtitles for you. But for this video, let's add them manually. And then check this out. You're able to go ahead and right here, put in the timestamp of the subtitle. So let's say we want to include subtitles every 5 seconds. That is absolutely something you're able to do. Then you want to type in the text. So let's put in hello, everyone. Just like this. And then as you can tell, we now have our subtitle right here. You can adjust the size of the subtitle from here. Then you guys can go over here to where it says styles and also change the font as well. So you can change it to whatever you do like, just like this. You can make it bold, italics, and you can even change the color as well. And there is many great options. We also have this section that says general, and we have like a pop animation that you guys are able to go ahead and add as well. So check that out. And then you can add more subtitles right here. So you can go ahead and really just adjust it to your liking. But once you're completely satisfied with your videos with the subtitles, you want to go over here to where it says render video. Then from here, you can configure the render settings and change the resolution of your video. Press on render and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.